In this video, I'm going to be teaching you about this Dreambox login right here. Okay, so if you hover over the icon and click on it, you'll see that there is a direct link, and this is the link that we will use for Dreambox in the classroom. Dreambox is an independent math activity that the kids do online. They do it here in the building. That's their technology piece for math. And you'll be required time on your actual dock throughout the week to work in Dreambox. So what it does is it finds out what the kids already know, and it progresses them at their level. So let's say your child has already mastered a few of the kindergarten activities and standards, it'll move them on into the first grade run. So it works at their pace. It's really great. I would like you to spend about 15 minutes in it today once you get logged in and let them play. It's learning through play. It's really fun. The kids really enjoy it. Okay, so there's two ways to log in. If you've watched a little bit of the AR video or Epic video or Rise Kids, I believe that I showed you in all of these that we are using Clever to log in through them. Okay, so you can click here and it will take you to this website. Okay, so there is a username and password that you will have on your student parent login sheet. Make sure that you check here for the Dreambox, and it will ask you for the class code. So I will attach the class code, right here. I thought I already did it, I haven't yet, so I will make sure to do that in just a moment. Okay, so the class code will be right here and you'll copy and paste it into that space. So in addition to logging in right here, you will also want to log in through Clever. Remember, in Clever, you log in one time and it saves it if it's affiliated with Clever. And Dreambox is affiliated with Clever, so that means once you sign in this one time through here, it might take you straight through my page, and it does. So because I've already logged in through here and my Google link is affiliated, it sent us straight through that page. Once your kids log in through this, it will log them in every time. So Clever is our hub for all of the websites that we will commonly use. These websites, all the way through right here, are ones that we're going to use all the time for virtual learning. ReadWorks and Beyond is a sometimes kind of thing. So I'll let you know when we're using those, but these websites are going to be using every week, every day of the week. So get familiar with them. Clever is a great spot to find all of these websites where you can just click and go. Okay, so have fun, explore for 15 minutes, let them play games. It's really great. With Dreambox, do not help your child unless they've already struggled through it. Don't answer stuff for them. Help them work it out because it'll move them on, but it'll also spiral back. So if they need help with something, make sure that they understand it through versus just giving them the answer. Otherwise, they're going to be really stuck when it goes on to the next part. So anyways, I will talk to you soon. Let me know if you have any questions.